Placing light too close to the fan, minimum distance between fan and light should be 2 feet. Placing light above the AC, this will cut the beam angle of the light. 3. Looping more lights on one switch. 4. Depending only on ceiling lights for main source. For ambient lights, these are the basic source of light. Lights are for highlighting a particular art or a wall. Light is for highlighting a particular task, for example, writing, reading, etc. Choosing the wrong color temperature is best for hospitals, offices, etc. Light suits living, bedroom, etc. Is a natural white for kitchen, study, etc.